answered, what can I do with my little one? That's with my toddler. अरे ये कभी हुआ? Check out last video on my Dvija YouTube channel. How to keep my toddler busy. Today what we're going to talk. As a working mother, बहुत बार ऐसे होता है that I go through a guilt कि मैं as a mama मेरा रोल नहीं play कर रही हूँ. There are so many mothers who are able to give few hours of the day and I am able to give less time. So here we are with the answer to this question. If I am a working mother or I am a mother who get less time with my child, what are the activities that I can do? And secondary, if I am leaving my child behind, what my child and the care provider can do with the child. It can be dadi, nani, a family member, or it's somebody else who is taking care of my child. So let's understand and find a way with which we can be a more peaceful mother and enjoy happy motherhood. So Meena, hi Meena,
hi.
welcome back.
Most happy to be.
Thank you so much. So as you have heard our question, so what your take on it?
I'm really thinking deep. I'm going back to my time when my little one was 2 and I started, set out my foot to start working. All these 10 years that I've been working, I think one question that I need you all to ask yourself, if you are a working mother, कि why are you working? मतलब क्या रीजन है कि आपको घर के बाहर जाना पड़ रहा है आपके 2 साल से नीचे बच्चे को छोड़ के? मजा नहीं आता है किसी को. It's not fun, right? Definitely you have something at the back of your mind. It might not be a situation that would allow you to be at home with your no mother. I think nobody would want to leave a child as small as 2-year-old and go out and work. I'm sure when you are at work, all you are thinking is what is my child doing? Is he not troubling the person he's with? And is he all good? Is he eating properly? Is he sleeping properly? मतलब ये तो हर कोई सोचेगा ना. तो सबसे पहली चीज है ये जो श्रेया ने जो बोला ना कि गिल्ट. I want you all to drop it now. Drop that guilt. If you have decision is already taken by you that you're going to be working, with the guilt you're going to make it worse. So first you drop the guilt, okay? Get into action. The minute you get into action, I think guilt will go. So rather than just thinking all day about the guilt that you have, why not have a activity planned for your child? Just like in the previous video, we gave you a few ideas which you could work out in the weekend with the caretaker of the child. Involve the caretaker while the activity is on in the kitchen or in the garden or in the living room, and the bedroom activity can come out in the living room this time because the caretaker is going to be around in the living room. Yeah. So introduce these one by one, not bombarding. The caretakers definitely will go bonkers if you give them too much to do. So your expectation level also should be low. You should not have a high expectation. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि यार मैं तुमको बोल के गई थी पर ये हुआ नहीं and you're all worked up. It kills it. So please understand these basics before I even start saying.
I think what she says makes a huge difference. If I know the cause of me moving out, it can be passion. It can be a financial need of the house.
Yeah.
It can be because once you are out and you come in, you feel more passionate about the whole thing. It need not be only working. It can be 3 hours you are out doing something which is for house also. It's a home related work, but you have to be out for 3 hours. So I think understanding the cause will make you far more productive when you're back home.
Yeah,
so
because once you're guilt free, you're ready to take it positively and you're ready to give your enthusiasm. Now, if you're coming back home by say 6, obviously after that you have to take care of the child. So you need people to help you. That's definitely one thing that you should plan. So you don't have to make a lavish dinner when you have a toddler. Make it simple and communicate to the people around that I want to invest this half an hour with my child. So I'm making this. If you communicate, I don't think it should be a problem. We just have to not give up early. We are giving up too early with everything. So we have to keep doing things for a repetitive time, and I'm sure things and situations around change, right? So you can leave the activities at the back for the caretaker to do it. And if you're moving out with your child on a weekend, now that is something interesting. कि मैं मेरे बच्चे को अगर पूरा दिन कहीं लेके जा रही हूँ या मेरे काम पे लेके जा रही हूँ तो मैं क्या करूँ? Is that a question that you're asking?
Yes, that also. And so you can divide it in 2 parts.
Okay.
When child is with me, what do I do with the child? And when I am back home only for some time, what do I do with child?
See, when you are leaving the child behind with whosoever XYZ, on the weekend I'm sure you have some time where you have to spend time with this caretaker, along with the caretaker looking at you, how you're doing it with the child. You
Okay.
can't just instruct them. They could be elder to you and they could have less energy than you, or it's somebody of your same energy level, but maybe the person is not aware of what is to be done and how. तो ऐसा हो सकता है कि आपने एक एक्टिविटी डिजाइन की है, ठीक है, पॉम्पॉम बॉल्स आते हैं, सबसे सेफ होता है सॉफ्ट पॉम्पॉम बॉल्स. यू हैव टू पुट इट इन एक प्लास्टिक की बॉटल ले लो, उसमें आपको डालना है. बच्चों को बहुत मजा आता है, दे लव दिस एक्टिविटी. एंड व्हाट डू यू नीड फॉर दिस? नथिंग, या इट्स जस्ट a bowl of pom-pom balls and a bottle, a clear bottle.
Okay.
Bisleri bottle could be any bottle, Bisleri bottle which is transparent. The child keeps looking how the thing goes inside.
Okay.
ये एक्टिविटी तो कोई भी करा सकता है, लेकिन आपको ये इंट्रोड्यूस कराते वक्त केयर टेकर को बड़े एंथुजियाज्म से बताना है, अरे इट्स सो मच फन, वाओ लेट्स डू दिस. क्योंकि अगर उन्होंने उसको ओवरडू कर दिया या एक बोलते ना जबरदस्ती उसकी उंगलियां पकड़ के वो करवा रहे हैं, तो दैट इज नॉट ओके. फिर गलत ही कर रहे हो, उससे अच्छा नहीं करो.
That's true. Okay, involvement with lot of emotions.
With that person who's going to take,
Right.
you have to be the right role model for the person who is going to take care of the child. So all your weekend, if you're just going out and moving out and you're not even sitting in the house and doing anything, you can't expect the person taking care of the child to do what you're expecting.
So throughout the week, care provider is doing. So let's show them being
Yeah.
an example.
Be an example.
And
Set
in
an
the
example.
evening, probably the way you said, you can plan those 10 minutes or at least one
20
activity
minutes.
every
Yes,
day.
yes.
10 to
One
20
activity.
minutes.
One activity every day. It could be anything under the sun which your child enjoys. It can be just a peekaboo.
So probably 10 to 20 minutes of an activity with
Yeah.
the child.
I think reading every day can be done. And
Beautiful.
अपने आप को भी थोड़ा बोलते ना स्पेस दीजिए. ऐसा नहीं कि आप हर चीज में परफेक्ट नहीं हो सकते हो. आपके सारे रोल्स निभाते निभाते यू विल डाई डाउन. सो राइट नाउ इफ योर चाइल्ड इज लिटिल, व्हाई डोंट यू कट डाउन योर सोशल, थोड़ा सा सोशल लाइफ कम कर दीजिए सो दैट आपकी एनर्जी बनी रहे फॉर योर चाइल्ड, rather than just feeling guilty and feeling bad about it.
Or you can
have
keep
to
a
cut
day
down.
for it.
Yeah, you can just cut down.
Keep a
on
day
it.
for it.
You can't do everything. So please.
I think the way she said, we can be a little more practical that, okay, this is one day where might be it will not be possible for me to give a quality time, but I'll make sure all the other 6 days I do give that
100%.
quality
And you
time.
can make a note of these things, na? So
Right.
you can't feel guilty when you've seen yourself doing stuff, right? So just
Right.
go through it, and anytime you feel low, just go through that diary, whichever you've made.
Super. Now I'm out with my child.
You're out. Oh my
I'm
God.
out with my child
I
now.
think 1 साल के बच्चे के साथ पहली बात तो अगर आप खुद ड्राइव कर रहे हो, ट्रैवल कर रहे हो, I think it becomes a big tension for the mother because some children don't sit in the carry pot. Okay,
Right.
so thankfully we have Ola and we have Uber, so I don't think that should be a problem. Please don't press yourself to drive and do this. It's too risky. So while you're sitting at the back seat or anybody else is driving, see you're out as a family, you prefer to sit at the back with the child. You don't sit in the front. Give a nice space to the child, and in your purse you can have some activities like small books. Board books can be in your purse all the time, right?
Right.
Then you can have a bottle, a shaker, a small Bisleri bottle जिसमें आपने थोड़े चावल डाल दिए, 1-2 बीड्स डाल दिए, बटन्स डाल दिए,
दो stones डाल दिए.
स्टोन्स डाल दिए, घुंघरू डाल दिया, उसको सील कर दीजिए, पूरा पैक कर दीजिए because kids are very smart. The minute you give them a bottle, they'll try. First thing is they want to try, and that will be the most risky activity. I will be floating here because all those teeny things will go in the
Right.
nose, and no, don't, please. So please seal it, and you can give them as a shaker.
Super.
Okay, it's sometimes you can even have the bottle having some water. In that you can have some blue color and 1 or 2 shimmery things. It can be it's a very soothing thing, right? It's a very
Beautiful.
soothing.
It looks beautiful
Haan,
when you
these things
move
you
it.
can store in the car also.
Superb.
Yeah.
And
Please don't give mobile. Please.
I was supposed to ask you,
No.
Meena, what about technology? Yeah.
No. A
So-
mobile. I just recently read about. There was an article that said that under 2 years, you should not show the mobile to the child. No media under 2 years. And I am constantly surrounded by parents who are, sitting in a dining area, like in a hotel, in a restaurant, and you just met your friend, and you're like, wow, ये वो
अरे, how
इधर-उधर
are
की
you?
बातें, और आपका बच्चा एक साइड टेबल पे फोन लेके just endlessly on the phone. The child is hardly 1 year.
And what they're watching, that's another story altogether.
I want to ask you one question. Have you ever sat and seen those cartoons videos which you show them on YouTube, have you sat through an entire video? Have you realized how many weird things they're teaching to children, like violence? They're teaching them to tell lies. They're teaching them it's okay to
Hitting.
hit. So
Yes.
it's Tom hits Jerry and everybody's ha 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 ha. But what is my child learning? It's really a little questionable thing. So try and avoid the media, please.
I think one of the thing with media which I've learnt in Freedom Park long time back when my daughter was, I think, if I remember it right, she was 11 months old. And she told something beautiful that in case, चलो घर पे आपके बड़े लोग हैं जो टीवी देख ही रहे हैं and your child is also somehow watching it. Can it be an involved watching rather than बच्चा blankly screen देख रहा है? So my kids love to watch Chota Bheem.
Yeah.
So I make sure that I sit with them as,
Yeah.
oh wow, which is this character? Mama, you remember that Krishna? वो कृष्णा में वो आता है, ये कंस ने भेजा है, and he's going to open his beak and eat it, you know. So that becomes a storytelling for my child. Actually, they're watching it on TV.
It's not like a couch potato. It's not
Ha.
like my eyeballs are continuously just stuck there.
Right.
So there is some movement of the eye and the body, which obviously will be less dangerous.
So what you're trying to tell is that let it not be a monotonous and an individually given technology.
Never,
act.
ever.
So
Never
so-
ever. Even if my kids are like 12 and a half, 11 and a half, I still will not say that they have access to something for a long time.
It's
No.
5-10 minutes probably what
They might need it for research. So I sit with them and I ask them questions. Like, what are you doing? Very interesting. Can you
Yes.
tell me what exactly this is? So, thoda sa,
And this actually makes a huge difference. Okay, I was telling them that can we search for a new cartoon kind of thing which teaches you art related thing.
yeah.
And my kids actually went on. They show me 3 cartoon characters who teaches a new art activity. Meena,
Imagine a child who is under 2 years and they have that access to the phone all by themselves. So you're feeding them and your child is watching it. Sometimes I understand that you're on the go, you have to reach somewhere, the movie time is
It's
that
an
much,
emergency
the
in
child
the
got
house.
up late. So that is like बोलते हैं ना rescue के लिए वो ठीक, वो rescue operation के लिए ठीक है.
Yeah.
But वो तुम्हारा रोज का आदत नहीं हो सकता. It's very harmful. I really urge you. I mean, I know all of you do it. I know it. So एक तो तुम स्मार्टफोन मत यूज करो, चलेगा. But really, I mean,
okay, I'll tell
It's
you
a
the
concern.
core behind why she's telling. I really urge you. She works with more than 100 to 200 mothers on a day-to-day basis, and this is her passion. जिसका जो पैशन होता है वो उसके अगेंस्ट किसी को जाते हुए देख रहा है, which is going to harm kids. Her heart bleeds, and that I know that it happened somehow with her. Shreya, I saw that mother doing that, and I
no,
felt so
I was
bad.
very surprised the other day. I did see a parent, and I was really pitying the child. Matlab, it was like as if the child was dragged into the situation. And trust me, they are also not happy. If you give them an option, mama time or mobile time, happily they should go for mama time. Mama should be more enjoyable kind of company
No,
for the child.
active time with mama or mobile.
Huh.
Mama time means mama sitting next and mama is playing
Active,
on
of course.
WhatsApp.
That's what you're very enthusiastic mom. They
Right.
will choose you. Please, they will not choose the media.
Superb. So I think that's for all of you, how to train a person who is taking care of the child back home. Being a working mother, planning those 10 to 20 minutes every day, a quality time where you are actively involved with the
And
child.
please don't feel guilty.
Yes.
You're putting your effort, you're a passionate mom, and if you're doing both, it's not easy for any mother to have both the roles going on hand in hand. So many people are very cozy in their homes and they're just taking care of the child, and that's all. You're doing much more than that, right?
Keep believing you're doing your best, and I can do little more
Yeah.
to be a little better tomorrow.
Yeah.
So thank you
Thank
so
you.
much,
Thank
Meena,
you,
for this
Shreya.
awesome time. Thank you so much, all of you who are watching us. Let's be a mother who feel peaceful, happy, and satisfied. And lastly, we both feel sometimes, अरे यार ये चीज शायद से गलत हो गया यार. We do go through that, and we do go back home,
Yeah.
say sorry to our kids,
Of course.
and improve. So
Yeah,
that's
no
how we
one's
go
perfect.
ahead.
Yeah.
Yes, thank you so much, and bye.
Bye.